Poor. Yes, poor. Why is that? Well, because this is a new video, but the journey is already going on for a couple of hours. Perhaps you have seen those videos already. So shift systems are on, engines are running. We are running at 1650 RPM. We are at the river called Noord, and we are from Papendrecht towards Alblasserdam and then Krimpen aan den IJssel. Where have I heard that word before? Yes? Many videos already of the storm surge barrier of Krimpen aan den IJssel. But before we are there, there's a lot of footage to see. We have the current with us because it is becoming low tide and the water is running towards sea. Now on the north, then to the Nieuwe Maas and then to the Nieuwe Waterweg all the way to the North Sea. Anyhow, glad that you will join me. Come on, let's go boating. We are close to the bridge of Alblasserdam, and that bridge just went open for 1, 2, 3, 4 sailboats. The economy of the Netherlands stops in a minute because a couple of sailors want to pass the bridge. When I was 3 years old, I moved to this village. It is called Alblasserdam. And over here on port side you have the staalfabriek, the steel factory, Net Staal. And for many years, the fathers of friends of mine worked at the factory. Where do your father work? Most of the time, the mother did not work, she was at home. Yes, I am from that generation. Where does your father work? He works in the factory. Really? Whoa! And then there was another one. It was also possible that he worked at IHC. I really have no idea what the abbreviation IHC meant, but nowadays it is called Oceanco. And when it was IHC, then they built navy vessels. I left this village when I was 12, 13 years old, and nowadays most of the environment of the plants from IHC, nowadays Oceanco, is teared down and there are new apartment buildings. At the moment our speed is 15.8 kilometers. Of course I could slow down. Yeah, why don't we do that? That's a good idea. We are not in a hurry. The moment that we are at Krimpen aan den IJssel, the storm surge barrier, then that river is also tidal and it is coming towards us because it is becoming low tide. So I guess that I will wait on the waiting pontoon when the tide turns, because it is silly to drive against the tide, which is at that time 2.5 to 3 kilometers against. So I am not in a hurry. Slow down, slow down. You know what we will do? We will run on one engine from now. Yep. Alright. Since we have enough speed, we will keep the port engine on 1500 RPM. So, like this. Well, in a village behind Alblasserdam, it is called Kinderdijk, world famous UNESCO because of the many windmills over there. But they also have affiliate of the IHC. IHC is still in the area, but the one planned is for dredging barges. Yes, here is the cookie again. And then at the moment we pass the lek, as it is called. Let me speed up on one engine. Whoop. There is a barge on 500 meters on starboard side. And the moment that I pass the river in a 90 degrees, I am sooner at the right side of the river. Alright. Yeah, he is behind me already. Mandatory channel 81 and also a water bus stop. Oh, up. Some waves. Hello. To 100 meters and then we go starboard. That is the Hollandse IJssel. It is 3 o'clock at the moment. I will moor on the waiting pontoon because also the Hollandse IJssel is a tidal river, as you know, and it becomes tide, it becomes low tide, so the water is running all the way towards the North Sea. Come on! I want to become salt water. I want to become salt water. And then around 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 5 o'clock it's slack, and 6 o'clock the water comes in again. Around 7:80 it is very, very strong on the Hollandse IJssel. So I will moor on the waiting pontoon and then join the incoming tide towards the locks of Gouda.
Yes, this is a YouTube Wednesday video, and I have no idea if I am able to produce another video for next Wednesday. So, if you love these entertaining video snacks on YouTube, on board of motor vessel Lady Lieselot, I suggest that you hit the notification bell and that you subscribe to the channel to see if there will be another video next Wednesday on the YouTube Wednesday series. Well, that felt like an American commercial, but anyhow, who cares?
Hey, Lady Lieselot! I heard from a sailboat. I said, yeah. He said, when you had 300 to 400 subscribers, I was one of them already. Wow, this was fun. Very nice. It's always fun to meet subscribers. And he said, it feels as if I know you already for a long time. Yeah, if you have seen 40 of my videos, then at least you have watched approximately 20 hours of Henk-Jan and Lady Lieselot. It might occur that you know me by now. Alright, let's have a look. I am at the wrong side of the waiting pontoon, on purpose, of course, because I do not want to be in the way with the other boats. Let me think. I need my stairs, but there's a lot of wind. I need my stern spring because the wind is now astern. Depth is 2 meters and the wind is strong. It feels strong. And I only have made ready my middle line. This is not good, not clever. I know. Okay, so what will I do? I will hang out my stairs and then that is Martijn, and Martijn lives in Den Helder. And when I was in Den Helder, he came by, he knocked on the hull of Lady Lieselot, and he said, I am one of your subscribers, as the same with the sailboat. And he said, I just want to say hi. And now he is moored close by, and he was driving his dinghy, and he thought, have a look, I know that yacht, I know it. He came and helped me moor Lady Lieselot. And then we had a chat. Funny. It's a small world. Of niet, Martijn? Nice. Okay. By now it is 4 o'clock. I will grab a sandwich as lunch. 4 o'clock is a good lunchtime, I guess. And then we will go towards Gouda. Thank you for joining me in this trip, and I hope to see you soon again in another video. Alright then? Okie doke. Bye bye. Lunchtime.